Good afternoon. On behalf of Charter College, I'm Elizabeth, and I have a special recording for Microsoft Word. This recording will be posted into our chat as well as into our discussion groups. A quick reminder, there's some problems with the test out. Please don't wait till the last minute to get your work in. In our class, a couple of people asked for information about how to work with the images, so I queued up some work in TestOut. Here we go. Wait for it. TestOut open, and I have an office simulation on the screen, and this is the applied lab. The scenario is this: you are in the process of creating a flyer for a school social. I'm to click the exhibits button to see a preview of what the final flyer should look like. Here's the exhibits, and there's the final flyer. There'll be an image at the top, text, and then we're going to wrap a picture of Mr. Hemingway on the bottom left. Keep going. Insert and format an image of the tree blossoms near the top of the flyer. So my cursor is where I want to insert a picture. And they asked for the blossoms picture. So when I went to insert a picture, it automatically went to the correct folder and I selected the blossoms. I have an image on the page, and they want me to modify the text wrapping to put it in front of the text. On the screen on the right is the layout options, and I can change the layout options to put it in front of text. So there's behind, there's in front. Move the graphic to the top of the page with the branches adjacent to the blue rectangle, as if they were coming out of the rectangle. So I'm to just drag and drop it up there, and I'm aiming on the left-hand side so that it is above the page, but still on the page. Notice that. It fits there. Number 2, insert and format a picture of Ernest Hemingway. So I'm going to scroll down on my sample document and insert a picture. There's the one of Hemingway. Insert. I'm to modify the text wrapping to tight. There's the little layout options to the right of the picture. It is tight. I'm to resize the picture to be approximately 1 inch. So there's the size on the right-hand side. The ribbon is Format, Picture, Size, Height. I'm going to type in 1. There it is. Move the picture to the left of the section of the text that begins with "Turn up at our fall faculty," and align the picture to the left margin. So, this is where I figured I had to go into a little more depth. Each one of our ribbons has options we can select, as well as ones we could use to get more. I'm going to go to Wrap Text, More Layout Options. There are 3 tabs. I'm going to the tab called Position, and I'm to align it where? Alignment to the left of the margin. There you go. Number 3, insert a rectangle along with the funding information for the event at the bottom of the poster. So, I'm going to place my cursor at the end of the document, there, and insert a shape. They said a rectangle. It's supposed to be approximately 1/2 inch high, extending over 1 inch from the margin. I like that. How do I know how high it is? There it is. It's Format. On the right-hand side is the size. There it is, 1/2 inch high. And what else do they say about this formatting? It should touch the blue rectangle on the right side. So there it is. It touches. It touches the blue rectangle on the left side. There you go. Apply a new fill choice of your color, shape fill. I'm going to make it light and easy to read. And I am to add text. Right click, add text. The words are funded in part by the Mapleton City College Humanities Center. I have to look at the text a couple of times to make sure it's correctly spelled. Funded in part by the Mapleton City College Humanities Center. The colors that I chose don't have enough contrast. The funded in part doesn't seem easy to read. I'm going to change my fill color to dark blue. Now you can see it. They didn't ask me to change the formatting, just to have it there. They asked me to align it and to check its size. This is what it should look like. And when I score the lab, I missed one. All right. I missed one step that was on the Hemingway. The main part of the issue was finding more options and where to find them. Thank you for allowing me to make this recording. I'm Elizabeth on behalf of Charter College. Thank you for watching.